Hi and welcome to a new video. In this video I'm gonna tell you all about how I edit my photos and how I create a beautiful looking cohesive Instagram feed step by step. So I'm gonna show you a little tutorial, and I'm also super excited for this video because it's the first time I'm making a video with my new setup, with new lighting, a new camera. Have a look. I'll show you. Look at this. Look at my lamp, my camera. So basically what happened, my old camera broke because it fell down on the floor, and then it was Cyber Monday, so I thought I'd buy a new camera and why not buy the whole entire new setup. So ta-da! Also, don't forget to like and subscribe below because it really helps to support my channel, and make sure you watch till the end because I've got a special discount code for you for my presets as well. So let's just dive straight into it. I'm gonna do a screen recording of my phone, so if everything goes well, my screen should pop up right now. Alright, so let's go into Lightroom, and I've already selected the photos that you wanted me to show how I edited them. First of all, I want to say I always use presets, so I edit my photos with my own presets. I really love presets because it's just so easy, simple, and you can really just edit your photo in one click, and they all presets will really help to make your photos mix and match and look all beautiful together. So let's just go to the first photo. For example, I'm gonna start with this one. With this photo I also applied one of my presets because that's what I do first thing. This is how it looked like before, and this is how it looked after I edited it. Now, one thing that you really should know about using presets and editing photos is that every photo is different. So depending on which light you use, if you take the photo inside or outside, on a sunny day or on a cloudy day, it will all affect your photos. So if you apply a preset, you can still apply your own edits and really tweak them a little bit more. You don't need a paid subscription on Lightroom to use presets. Just gonna start from the beginning straight over. So let's go to presets first, and then here you see all the different presets, and lately I've only been using my Summer Vibes pack, which I really like because it gives you kind of like more softer colors. It brings out the blues a lot. I created my presets in a way that they all kind of look good together. So let's have a look. Just applying one preset in one click and it already kind of looks really good. I'm gonna show you my favorite features in Lightroom. And this is light, color, effects, and detail. So let's start with light. So here you see the light, and here you can still kind of tweak the light. So sometimes if there's a lot of shadows in your photo, you can still you can delete them, make it a bit more lighter. You see, especially in the back, how it changes if you play with the shadows. So I really like always to have the shadows quite high, so my photos look a little bit more brighter, lighter, and that's what I really like. And then if you go to color, color is one of my favorite tools in Lightroom because you can change every color in your photo individually. It's amazing. To do this, you have to go to color, and then in the top right corner you see a color wheel and that says mix next to it. So you click, and here you can see all the different colors. My favorite is the orange one. So with this one you can really change the color of your skin and make it look a little bit more tint or less orange. Like in this photo, I'm gonna bring the saturation down a little because as you see there was kind of like an orange lamp behind me, which made the entire photo a little bit too orange, too bright. So there we go. If I would overdo this, this would look like this. You would make yourself black and white or like Jersey Shore orange. So that's not what we want. So let's just keep it like this. And then luminance. This is very important for me because I am super white, so I can definitely use a little bit more of a tan. So if you bring it down entirely, I'm just gonna overdo it again. You can make yourself look really tanned or really white. So, oh my god. So I'm gonna Don't know if it changed that much, but anyway, this is really how I like it. Done. And pick another photo. Let's go for this one, where I was on a boat with Amanda in the Mediterranean Sea. So much fun. So this is how it looked like before, and this is after. So let's just reset it, and then as I always do, I apply a preset first. I just check which preset I like most, and the Coconut Dream on this one is a little bit too dark. So it's basically just seeing which preset you like most, which one works best with this photo. The Skinny Dip is a little bit warmer, and the Mermaid Kiss is more aqua bluish. So if you want to have a feed that has lots of blue and aqua and really makes it like a summer feed, then I really recommend using the Mermaid Kiss. But for this one, I want to go for tan lines. There we go. And then what I would change in this photo is in color, I'm gonna go to the color wheel again to mix, and then to orange, because I kind of like photos that are more like a bit faded. So I'm gonna bring the saturation down a little bit. There we go. Have a look at the luminance. So that's too dark, as you see. That's too white. So I'm just gonna pick something in the middle. There we go. And done. I like the photo how it is like this. So before and after. So you see how easy that is. So even if you just apply a preset, you don't have to make additional changes every time. But I just like to show you now for the sake of this video. And then do this one. So this one I took late in the evening when the sun was going down. So this is before. You see how it is quite dark, and this is after. So reset. And now if we're gonna apply the preset, the photo is quite dark. So let's just have a look at the other ones. Au Naturel works better. Okay, I'm gonna go for Urban City with this one. And then this photo, what it needs is a little bit editing with the light. I'm gonna bring the shadows more up, exposure as well, just a little bit. There we go. Now one thing I also do sometimes, and this is only a premium version of a premium feature, unfortunately. So, and that's the Selective Tool. So sometimes I would do like this, and with the Selective Tool you can kind of paint the area that you like and that you want to edit. So only the area that you paint, for example my shorts, is the only area you are gonna apply the changes to. And I want to add some detail, so I want to make I want my shorts to stand out. So I'm gonna go to Effects and add some extra clarity only to my shorts. See how it changes. So this is without and this is with, and some extra sharpness as well. There we go. Like this. So now I have a photo and with lots of detail, but my shorts have extra detail. And this you can also do to make your skin look a bit softer. Selective Tool and Healing are for paid people, for paid subscriptions, but anything else in the app is for free. So that's good. Alright, now let's go back. I just want to show you real quick the before and after of these photos. So this is the after and before. Also use the preset and then change the colors a little bit of the blue. So here you see you can also make the sky and ocean darker or lighter, make it much brighter or less. And that's it. You just kind of play around with it. Selfie, before and after. And with this one I'll show you, just applied one preset and didn't do anything else after applying the preset. That's it. That's how simple presets are. Alright, now one more thing I want to show you is I use the app Uno, this one, to see how my photos will look like in my feed. So it's an app and literally you can just change your photos how they would look like if you post them. This is what I use to organize my photos. And if we go to Instagram, as you see lately, I've been liking the white kind of background light photos, which is quite different from before. Before my feed looked a bit more busy and had more colors, more blue, but now I kind of like the white and light and clean style. That's also why I'm using some filler photos like the palm tree or the beach. So that's it. I hope you learned a lot from this video, and as promised, I've got a special discount code for everyone who made it till the end of this video. So if you go to my website farahinthesun.com and presets, you can use this promo code to get a discount, and that's it. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.